Hello, I'm Soumitra from Mineral Water Project Information. So this video we are shooting for explaining the content for the online training which we have been conducting for 4 days. So let me explain the content one by one. So it is every day 90 minutes. So I will explain you. So day one, what we are going to cover is day one we are going to talk about the introductory sessions about the business, the very first part. And keep in mind that it is also for the newcomers. There are many people who are going for the first time in the business. So we'll also cover some business owner mindset and introductory assets. So this is number one. Next will be water basics we are going to cover. So in water basics we are going to talk about packaged drinking versus natural mineral water. You may not be knowing about it, you may be knowing about it. So what differs them, what separates them? Some water like what is that, Himalayan water may be costing 60 rupees and why Bisleri cost 20 rupees, something like that. And the basic water treatment, what is the method which is used in the mineral water plant, that's also we are going to talk about it. So basically package versus natural mineral water and sources. Then second part is the concept of RO, reverse osmosis, which is dominantly used in the packaged drinking water plants, and also the issue of reject water when you are talking about how much reject water and what is that, and plant components and functions of it. So it is, when we talk about RO plant, not just RO plant, it's something like pre-treatment, post-treatment. As a business owner, you should we need not know the details of that everything, but the required details should be known. So what the control points we are talking about. So this is day number one. So day two, second day, we are going to talk about the type of plants. So type of plant means which kind of plant you are going to set up, like jar plant or jar plus bottle. Okay, so what are the components of that, what is the approximate costing in that, what should be decision making factors and all that. So that we will talk about. Plus second point we will discuss is the resources required for a packaging course. So many resources are there, like water, then manpower, then electricity, then the land and building, and money, of course. So what are the resources required, and details regarding that we'll talk in during the training. And third part will be there will be a plant demo. So this plant demo is a live online demo of a working of a plant. So there we can take you inside of a virtual tour of a live working plant. So that can be explained in the day two. Day three, we are talking about the documents which you will be needing for a packaged drinking water plant. Okay, so documents like mainly as you know very well, the BIS, the ISI, it needs certain documents to be had. So we can also discuss about the live site demo, BIS site demo, which are the components and where to check certain details. Some tricky factors I will tell you, some tricks are there. So the BIS website demo. Then project cost calculation, this we are going to take. So whenever you are deciding for the project, so how to calculate the total cost whenever you are getting some quotations from your suppliers, that may be so for some particular parts, but your project is not just machinery, it is much beyond that. So what are the components of the total cost? In other video we will discuss about the cost components, but how to calculate your project cost, as per your requirements, that we are going to talk in details. And obviously the water availability and quality, because your plant needs water. So how to check how much water is available, and how to check what is the quality of water with minimum investment or no investment at all. So there are some tricks to know that. So and the day four, obviously the first part on the day four will be the ROI, that is return on investment. As a business owner, you should first know how much money you are going to put in the whole plant and when the money will come back. There is some calculation, the total investment and the profit margins. Are there real profit margins per bottle cost? What do they call? So is it a real factor or a myth behind that? So that we'll talk about. The fixed cost, the variable cost, the bank cost, the renewals and all that, everything we'll talk in details. So that will the ROI and profit calculation. Then second part on the day four is marketing and branding. So how and what to brand, the branding components and all that. So that we'll talk about. Then one more part will be, small part will be there, that there are certain opportunities beyond the packaged drinking or the mineral water plant also. So we'll also talk about that. And last one will be obviously explanation on what services we give and how our services can help you in making your business venture profitable. And obviously the certificate handover, that will happen on the fourth day itself. Nowadays we are giving you the certificates, e-certificates are there, but these e-certificates, every certificate is crucial, and every certificate is coded with a different number and is physically signed. Okay, we'll sign the certificate, we will scan it and we'll email it to you. Is it important? Yes. With the EDP trainings you get from the government, in bank finances, these training certificates also are necessary. We are not a government institute, we are not affiliated currently with the government, but still our certificates also play a very important valid role. So that is what we are giving. And an additional point is the material for the whole training session. So that also we are going to hand it over to you. So that's all about the idea to actualization 4 days training. And one more thing is, if you want to, you can also think of our other trainings and consultancies if you are ready for a consultancy. So before closing this video, I would just request you to kindly subscribe to our video channel, and also we also including a link for the newsletter, so you can also get some news about the trainings and everything coming up. And as usual, you can always check our page for the next current trainings. So thank you so much. I'm Soumitra here again. Thanks for watching Mineral Water Project Information. So we want to create successful water business entrepreneurs. Thank you.